I joined the group of COPTAC way, ang issue pa is the downtown property. I would like to set this na klaro sa inyo, no? There are actually two properties involved here. Downtown property of Xavier and the uptown. Now, let's start with downtown. Ang downtown yun, I joined the group because for me, heritage and the central point of Cagayan de Oro yun para sa akong edukasyon, and that's symbolic of Cagayan de Oro also. But you know what? Dili man nato makuha ni by way of kanang environmental issues, heritage, ug sentimental na mga values nato. So, ako yun, ang akong background, ako sa Xavier graduate, no, philosophy and law. Wala lang ko nahimong abogado. But, you see, ang akong nakita, I was fighting for not selling Xavier University. Dili mi nagsugod sa Manresa. But, for the information of everybody, 3.6 hectares of the downtown property is actually questionable because that 3.6 is actually donated by the Archdiocese of Cagayan de Oro to Xavier. Now, at the time, si Father Bobby Yap would like na mga siyang imprimatur kang Archbishop Ledesma, who happens at the time na nangay siya imprimatur, na muperma siya na mugo na ta to develop downtown, wala gisugod si Bishop Ledesma. Why? For one reason. Because Jesuit siya, but actually he's occupying a position as Archbishop of Cagayan de Oro. Dili niya na diretso ma-let go ang downtown because 3.6 donated lang na siya. So that means kita na mga Cagayanon should be involved and should object to the sale. Now, nabatay nipon. Ako, I went all the way to Archives, Manila. I spent, pero wala tayong nakita. And that deed of conveyance and whatever that deed of donation for downtown Cagayan de Oro, wala tayong nakuha. But you see, nag-work gihapon mi nga para mahuwag yun ang Xavier. So what we did, we tackled the heritage issue. Wherein mismo si Administrator Escalante gianhigil. And what is good, what paved the way nga ni tagaan nilang pagtagad nga i-hold ang Xavier, because sometimes na naapa si Father Bobby Yap, nagsulat siya sa NHCP, National Heritage Commission of the Philippines, na ang Xavier dili murag dili hilabtan because it's a heritage area. But si Jokno, who happens to be the commissioner at that time, ingon siya na sa 2013 na namitabo. But katong gibaligya na, gipush na ni Father Bobby na ibaligya, ang among gibuhat, naglabi nung sa NHCP. Paglabi na mo, there were so many people involved because at the time, ang